Welcome back, YouTube. My name is Nigel Schroeter, and if you guys did not know, you're tuned into the best YouTube channel on finance. So, of course, today we're talking about State Department Federal Credit Union, um, and I wanted to bring to you guys this video, and we're going to be talking about their big boy card. This card is going to be the premium cashback credit card. Um, this is going to be the big boy if you're going for SDFCU. If you want to go in there and come out with a bang, you want a high limit, you want a card that's going to present to you the high limits, the rewards, everything that you could want in a card. This is that premier card. This is that boss status card. So, what are the features of this card? What does it have to offer you? Well, first off, this card is a Visa signature, right? So, Visa signature. Why is that important? Now, a lot of you may not know this, but Visa signature cards, just like MasterCard, the World cards, they're these cards, the credit lines start at 5,000. See that credit line start at 5,000. So that means that you cannot get approved for this card unless you get approved for at least 5,000. So I want you guys to think about that. You cannot get approved for this card unless you can get approved for at least 5,000. So that means if you have a good, competitive, strong credit profile, you built your relationship with SDFCU, maybe you had that secured card for a few months, it unsecured, you got the platinum card, maybe you went back, got another platinum card, maybe you bank with them, you have other loans, you have other products going through SDFCU, then guess what? You can come and say, hey, you know what? I have other products with you guys. I have a strong competitive credit score. Even if you don't bank with them, I got a strong competitive credit profile, or either I got a strong internal score, or I got a strong internal score and a strong profile. So I'm going to bring them together. And what am I going to do? I'm going to get this Visa signature card, 5K limit. Boom. Now, what else is great about this card? It earns 2% cash back on purchases. You get that low interest rate like all of the SDFCU cards. It has an intro offer right now, aka sign up bonus, introductory bonus, whatever you want to call it, of $200 when you spend $3,000 in the first 90 days. So for most of us, we can spend $1,000 a month. And if you spend $1,000 a month with this card for the first 3 months, or just overall spending $3,000 in those first 3 months, then you're going to get $200 back. So that's free money. So why not? Why wouldn't you hit the sign up bonus and take advantage of this? You know, you have these opportunities to earn more cash back through their online mall. You get the additional Visa signature benefits. So one of the big ones that you hear a lot of the time and what they pointed out here is cell phone protection. So when you pay your cell phone bill with this card, it will actually insure your cell phone up to a certain amount. So if you break your phone or something like that happens and you have this particular card, this will go towards covering the repairs and helping you fix your phone. So this is one of those cards, one of those premier cards that's going to have premier benefits. Of course, when you click into the Visa signature benefits, there's plenty of them. There's pages of these benefits. Auto rental collision damage waiver. So if you rent a car, you don't have to pay for the extra insurance because it's covered under this card. You can file a claim up against this card. Travel and emergency assistance services. You're going to get that with all of these SDFCU cards. Roadside dispatch. Like AAA, towing up to 5 miles. So that's one of those other things that's included in here. Jump starting your car, lockout service, fuel delivery. All those different things are included in this card. Trip cancellation. So, if something comes up important and you have to cancel a trip, you can actually make a claim against this card, and you will get your money back. So, there's a lot of different perks that come with these cards, and yes, they have their fine print, but especially when it comes down to these Visa signature cards, there's so many perks in here. Extended warranties for certain items that you buy. Um, it's just so many different things. So I always, recommend everyone reading this on their credit cards. Um, and once again, this is one of those cards: no annual fee, no foreign transaction fee, no balance transfer fee. As you can see here, of course, once you get into premium cards, this is something that's rather common that you'll see. Banks will have a lower interest rate card, generally for those who carry balances, and then for those who hold these premium cards, they typically have slightly higher interest rates. This one 9.24 to 15.24%, still very low because it is a credit union card. And like I said, there's a lot of opportunity costs with getting this card. You're going to have the high limit. You're going to get that sign up bonus. You're going to get 2% back. You get all those Visa signature benefits. So, again, this is a good card to look into, especially if you can't get into Navy Federal Credit Union. This may be one of those great alternative cards that you can go for. This would be a good alternative to like a flagship. Um, you know, and definitely, you guys go check out SDFCU. And of course, like all of their other cards, this one can be attached to, Apple Pay, Samsung Pay, Google Pay, and LG Pay for your mobile wallets. And of course, it does have the contactless, tap feature so that you can tap your card instead of swiping it or putting your chip in. And, in these times with the virus and things like that, it is good to have that feature. With that being said, I want to thank you all for watching. Thank you all for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We thank you all for supporting us and for watching these videos. I'm really trying not to be ultra redundant, but I did want to cover all of their cards. I'm going to be covering a lot of cards for a lot of different credit unions and banks, as well as bringing you guys some different strategies moving into the future. So, I know you guys seem to like these credit union videos, especially they're getting a lot of views. So I just want you guys to be able to, come to this channel, get what you want to get, see what you want to see. Like I said, nothing goes unheard. If you have a comment, please make sure that you leave it down there. If you have a question, a concern, whatever it is, if there's anything that you want to talk to me about, I'm always open to, answering your comments, and making sure that I've gotten your questions answered, and that you're not leaving from these videos lost or, without, without any direction or anything, that you do have an idea of what, these cards are, what the benefits of these cards are, where to find those different perks and different pieces to the puzzle. I just wanted to kind of sum up, the cards that were offered by this bank with this third video on SDFCU. And, SDFCU can be a great bank or credit union for, rebuilding. This could be potentially be that financial institution, that credit union that's going to help you level up your game, get into, bigger, stronger cards. I think they are usually overlooked when it comes down to their credit cards, and their credit cards do have pretty good, they have pretty good benefits. They have a pretty good structure for their credit cards. They, they're allowing you to double dip when you first apply to open up the card and the account, and take advantage of getting one inquiry to do both things. So I just recommend that, if you've gotten through this far in the video, you know, go ahead and try and apply for one of these cards, you know, or go ahead and open up an account with them and just start building that relationship with another great financial institution that's going to help you and has helped so many other people. And with that being said, thank you all for watching. Thank you all for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.